welcome back to Shake the Kitchen. So today we are making a delicious deviled eggs. Basically it's spicy, it's got chopped jalapeno, cilantro. It's so good. It's keto. You can use it on intermittent fasting. You can have it as a snack or for a quick dinner. It'll be ready so quick, under 10-15 minutes flat. You've got it on the table. And again, it is spicy, it's flavorful, and it has all the ingredients that are, acceptable on your keto diets, on your intermittent fasting. If you're having if you have diabetes and you need some really delicious dishes, and also if you're doing the egg diet, we know what that's about. It helps you get into keto right away. If you want a little more information, comment below. I can share the tips and tricks about the egg diet, but that will also be perfect. This dish is perfect for that. So come on in, it's delicious and you'll have a lot of fun.
For this dish, all you need is 3 eggs, but we're making 3 more.